Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim, the math teacher. These recordings are for المجد International Schools. This video is for grade 6. Our lesson today, surface area of rectangular prisms. Surface area of rectangular prisms. This is the rectangular prisms. First of all, I told you our last lesson, how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. So we multiply length times width times height. Okay. Today, inshallah, I will teach you how to find the surface area of any rectangular prism. Actually, in this lesson, he started to tell you about the net. A net is a two-dimensional representation of three-dimensional figure. We just draw these rectangles all together and try to cut them using a scissors, and then we complete the figure into 3D shape. So we only draw 2D shapes and then convert them into 3D shape. Okay, this is what we call a net. A net is a two-dimensional representation of three-dimensional figure. But it's not our main topic at this lesson. Our main topic at this lesson, so I already solved them for you, but look, this is my answer in red. But how do we find it? How do we find the area, the surface area of any rectangular prism? You know that the rectangular prism has got 6 faces. How is this? Look, count with me. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So they are 6 faces. Each face is a rectangle. Okay, each opposite faces are equal. So we have 3 pairs of equal rectangles. 3 pairs of equal rectangles. Okay. How do we find the area of one face? Now we want to find the surface area of the rectangular prism. How is this? To find the area for all faces. Okay, each face is a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle, yes, very good. It's equal length times width. Length times width. So look at this side face. Look at this side face on the left face. The length here is 6. The width here is 8. So 6 times 8 equal 48. This is what? Very good. This is the area of this face and the opposite face. This one. Okay, we want to find the area of this face and this face. Very good. We have here 10 and this side is 8 because it's parallel to the side, so it's equal 8 also. 10 times 8 equal 80. So we have here 80 and the other side here it is equal 80 also. 80 squared centimeters. Okay. Now we want to find the area of the bases, the down base and the upper base. Okay, down base 6 times 10 equals 60. It's the same here, up. Okay, so we have 2 times 60, 2 times 48, and 2 times 80. If you found the sum for all of them, you will know the total surface area. So, if we have 3 sides, like you see here, length, width, height, and you want to find the surface area, just multiply each 2 pairs altogether times 2. So the surface area equal 2 times 8 times 6 plus 8 times 10 plus 6 times 10. 2 is outside the brackets. So 2 is multiple at all of them. 2 times length times width, 2 times width times height, 2 times height times width. He is completing, give you some examples about how to find the net, how to draw the net, but it's not important at my lesson here. The most important thing I want you to learn is how to find the total surface area. I think he found this. Yes, let's try to find this. 8, 6, 10, it's the same example, I think. Yes, it's the same example. Look, we have here 3 numbers. So 2 times. We will write like that. This is what we are going to write. I will write 2 times. Then I will open a bracket. Then I will open a bracket because 2 times all the numbers inside. 8 times 6. 8 times 6. We have here 8 times 6 plus we did 8 times 6. Now we need 6 times 10 and then 8 times 10. 6 times 10. Plus. We took 8 times 6 and then 6 times 10. We need here 8 times 10. 8 times 10. Then close your brackets. Let's do it together. So this will equal, I will try to make it bigger for you. Focus with me. We will not multiply 2 here now. We're just going to write 2 times. Then open the bracket. Okay. 8 times 6. 8 times 6 equal 48. Here it is. Plus. Six times 10 equals 60. Plus 8 times 10 equal 80. Let's try to find the total. 80 plus 60 equal 140. 140 plus 40, 180. 180 plus 8, 188. Now we need to multiply 2 times 188. Equal 300. 376. 376 what? Yes, focus with me. It's centimeter. Don't forget that. Centimeter. Centimeter what? Squared. Yes, don't forget that. It must be squared. We will write here too, and we will try to make it as a power. Yes, very good. So we have here 376 square centimeters. This is the area, total area of the shape. This is the total area of the shape. I hope you understand me well. No, we need centimeter. Yes, very good. Here it is. I already solved it for you, but there is a lot of steps here. You can train yourself on this. 2 times and open the brackets. Each 2 dimension, multiply them together and then add the total. So it's equal 2 times. 2 times 2.4, 2 times 3, then 2.4 times 3. Add them together and then multiply them by 2. I will write the rule here for you. Look at this. This is the main rule. In symbols only. Symbols. Not with numbers. In symbols. Area equal 2 times length times width plus 2 times, I said plus, 2 times width times height plus 2 times, we took length and width and then width and height. So what is the last amount? It's length and height. Length and height. 2 times length and height. What is this color? I want to make it black. No, red. Red is good. It will be, yes. I'll try to make it bigger for you. So this is the rule we are using. This is the rule we are using. I hope you understand the lesson. If you have any other question, don't hesitate to ask me on WhatsApp. If you want to find the area of this shape, let's find it together. 2 times, open the bracket, 2 times 2.4 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 2.4. Find the total, and then I didn't count it. Okay, here it is, another nice example, but we will solve this. We will solve this first. I will try to find it fast. 2 times, open brackets, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 times 2.4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, so it's 4.8. 4.8. Okay, so what is the least thing? It's 3 times 2.4. 3 times 4 is 12, write down 2 and keep 1 up. 3 times 2 is 6, and you have 1 is 7, so it's 7.2 plus 7.2. Close the bracket. add them, multiply them by 2, so the total area equals 36 square meter. Squared meter. Area must be equal 36. Area equal 36 Okay, it's equal 36 squared meter. Here it is, the last math example. We have here 12, 9, 8, so I told you. He is asking me check. Mrs. Hernandez is redesigning her craft room, which is in the shape of rectangular prism. She wants to add wainscoting, which is wood wall covering, from the floor to halfway up the walls. There are 2 doors that are each 3 feet wide. 3 feet wide. How many square feet of wainscoting will she need to cover the space? Okay. 3 feet wide. The doors. Each 3 feet wide. 3 feet wide. Okay. If we have this room, we want to find the total surface area. I already solved it for you, but we need to find the total surface area and then take out the 3 feet wide. 3 feet and 3 feet. They are 3 feet and 3 feet. So we need, after finding the total surface area, we just subtract this and it will give you 144 square feet. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and understand it. Thank you for watching the lesson.